Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from OWC, Other World Computing, at OWCdigital.com. These guys make some incredible products, and I use a lot of them on a daily basis here on the Chris Voss Show. We super love their products, and they make really good, high-quality products. Everyone asks me, what are the products that you keep around the office, Chris, that are the best? And OWC products are some of those that fit that genre. For years now, probably about 5 years or so, I've been using OWC's dual drive dock. And it's come in a few different variations that they've updated. I think originally it was just a USB plug-in that I had, and then I had the next step up, which I think was USB 3.0 or 3.1. And now they have a new version out for people that are moving up the food chain of connections and speeds. We have the Drive Dock USB-C. So this is really cool. It's got a super fast way to access bare SATA drives. You can hot swap, read multiple drives simultaneously, or boot from bare drives, all with the speed of USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface. And it's great for video or audio content pros working with bare drives and big projects. I use it a lot for my backups when I'm backing up drives, backing up pictures, backing up videos. I love this thing. And the thing is like a tank. It's fallen off my desk a few times. It is like a tank and a brick, and it does a great job. And it's hard to fall off your desk because it's usually holding a couple disk drives. You don't want it to do that. But this thing is pretty cool. You can just slam your drives in and out, flip them in and out, get them copied over, run it through your system. And of course, USB-C, it's going to go really fast in being able to transfer the data back and forth. If you've got an OWC solid state drive like the one we're reviewing right now, you'll see that on the Chris Voss Show and in the video. We've got pretty cool technology that's making it so we can get super fast ultra transfer speeds. You can not only transfer to the computer and back and forth, but you can also copy between two drives. So I'll use if I want to back up a drive, I'll put one in one slot and the empty copy that I want to copy to in the other slot, and let them have at it and back each other up. Pretty darn awesome. And it will accommodate in the two drive bays, both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drives. You can use your SSDs, you can use your SATAs, your big hard drives and everything else. And it's got auto switching internal power supply that's compatible with standard dual prong power cables. It's flexible enough to use on any system. It's compatible with Thunderbolt 3 ports and works perfectly as an on-location backup source for industry professionals using multiple bare drives. It's got rugged aluminum construction. It's really good looking. It sits on your desk and looks really nice for that matter. And it comes with your cable for that, for a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C cable and a USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C to Type-A cable. So if you don't have a USB Type-C in your computer or your laptop, like a lot of Apples do now, you can just use a normal USB to plug. They give you both cords, which is really nice. 2-year limited warranty from OWC. These guys make exceptional products, and I think you'll love them. Anyway, I've been using their old models for 5 years. I've been using this one for a couple months, and I'm super impressed. I highly recommend you check out their products. You're going to love, if you love Thunderbolt products, holy crap, you need to go check these guys' Thunderbolt products out. RAID products, everything they make. If you have Macintoshes that you want to take an upgrade, they're super pros at that. We've been loving our experience so far with the OWC SSD drive. We've got a Pro G Mercury Extreme 2 TB. I've been loving that so far, and you'll see that review on the Chris Voss Show on a different post. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, go to OWCdigital.com, tell them Chris Voss saying, check out the Drive Dock USB-C. Thanks for tuning in.